Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 36, light. Image of an object. In this worksheet we will discuss about what is image and image formation by the plane mirror. When we look into the plane mirror, we see reflection of our face. This reflection is called image. Reflection को क्या कहते हैं हम? Image. In this case, our face is the object and the reflection of our face is image. So, reflection of an object in the plane mirror is called image. Here we will do an activity. Place a lighted candle in front of the plane mirror. In this case, the candle is the object and reflection of the candle is seen in the mirror is the image of the candle. Reflection of an object is known as the image of an object. The image of the candle seen in the plane mirror is erect and the same size of the object. So this plane is plane. If we put a screen behind the plane mirror, we will not see anything on it. अगर हम screen को, if we put the screen behind the mirror, so we will not get any image or any reflection of the object. There are no light rays behind the mirror. The image is not really there at all. Real image कैसी है? It is not actual or real image. A virtual image is formed when light rays coming from an object appear to meet after reflection from the mirror. So in the plane mirror, virtual image of an object is formed because the light rays coming from an object appears to meet after reflection from the mirror. Now we will discuss these situations. First of all, you should know this one is plane. Plane mirror always forms virtual images and same size of the object. First situation is write your observation in both the cases. First one is place a vertical screen behind the mirror. Try to obtain image of the candle on the screen. In this situation, we will not get any image on the screen because plane mirror forms virtual images and light rays coming from an object appears to meet after reflection from the plane mirror. Second situation is place the screen in front of the plane mirror. Try to obtain the image of the candle on this screen. Yes. Can you get the image on the screen? Yes, we get the image on the screen, but this image is virtual and same size of the object. Write characteristics of image formed by plane mirror. Any three. You have to write three characteristics. First one is, you can write first, image is always erect. Second, image is virtual. And third, it is same size as the object. So you can write three characteristics of image formed by plane mirror. You have to write the spelling of plane is plane. Thanks for watching.